Surprise! I guess you weren't expecting to see another video from me this week, but I got an update on my Keto Cookbook that I just had to share with you. So here I am. Horns up folks, and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. Now, unless you have been living under a rock or you are one of my subscribers who has not been getting my updates, you would know that I have been working on my first ever Keto Cookbook. Alright, so technically this is the first Keto Cookbook that I worked on, and some of you may have already purchased this, and if some of you want to own it just as a collector's item, I'll leave a link to purchase it in the video description box below this video. But these were not my original recipes except for the dessert ones, so I technically don't count this as my first Keto Cookbook. The one that's going to come out now, that's mine. That has 100 of my original recipes. So first things first, we finally have a release date for the cookbook. It's going to come out on the 24th of September 2019. The second thing is that we finally have a name for the Keto Cookbook, and I have the cover image that I'm going to share with you. The book is called Keto Life, and you can see the cover image right here. Now, I can already see some of my vegetarian friends going, But folks, worry not, the book has a good mix of recipes. There are some vegetarian recipes, there are recipes with chicken, with beef, with fish, there are salads, there are soups, there are breakfast items, there are desserts, there are keto breads. It's got everything. So please, my vegetarian friends, don't get fooled by the cover. Now, if I'm being honest, I didn't get much of a say in the cover design of the book. But as you can see from the previous book as well, the guys really like their steaks. But what's important, my friends, is not really the cover, it's the recipes inside the book. And those are 100% Headbanger's Kitchen. Now folks, you can already pre-order this book. Yes, you don't have to wait till September to order it. I'm going to leave a link again in the video description box just below this video where you can pre-order this cookbook. Now folks, when you go to order this book, you might see a preview of the book where it shows you some pages of the book. I must inform you in advance that those pages are just stock pages, and the actual book pages will be updated in a couple of days. So don't go by that, because that actually shows like a recipe for crispy bhindi, which is not in the book. So this book is not an Indian recipe centric book. I'll be very honest and upfront about that. But if this book sells well, then I will be commissioned to do a full Indian keto cookbook. So if you want that to happen, definitely pre-order the book. If you were one of the people who kept telling me, Sahil, you must write a cookbook, please do pre-order the cookbook. And I really hope you guys enjoy the book. I can't wait for September, and I hope you guys are as excited about this book as I am. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber from me. See you soon. Oh, and pre-order the book. I must have told you that already. Anyway, see you soon. Hey folks, if you're excited about the Keto Cookbook, then hit the like button on this video, and please do spread the word about the book in the keto community. I appreciate all your support, because seriously, this book is dedicated to you.